हेलो गाइस, व्हाट इज अप? दिस इज एलोइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू GTA 5। आज हम लोग दोबारा से इसकी स्टोरी को आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं भाई। तीनों का ट्रायो देख के तो मजा ही आ गया बिल्कुल। तो चलो गाइस, इसी ट्रायो के साथ हम लोग करते हैं आगे की स्टोरी कंटिन्यू। लेट्स गो। फ्रैंकलिन के पे चलते हैं भाई। फ्रैंकलिन कहाँ पर है, क्या कर रहा होगा पता नहीं, देखते हैं।
But
ओहो,
shit, I ain't getting drunker.
पूरा दारू पी कर पड़ा हुआ है तो मतलब खड़ा हुआ है, पड़ा हुआ क्या बोल रहा हूँ। चल सही है, इसके पास भी पैसे आ गए हैं, सो ये एंजॉय कर सकता है, कुछ भी कर सकता है। अपनी आंटी से तो दूर रहे कम से कम भाई, इसकी आंटी तो अजीब ही है बिल्कुल। ऑलराइट, गाड़ी तो मिल नहीं रही तो चलो भाई किसी की उठानी पड़ेगी। ला भाई गाड़ी दे
Out
अपनी।
the car, nigga.
कोई पुलिस वुलिस मत बुला लेना बेटे। और ये मैं कहाँ से जा रहा हूँ भाई। चलो आ गए। अरे सारे दोस्त
Now, don't you step foot in this yard.
Why
Oh.
is half my house?
Now, I'ma call the police.
For what?
Disloyalty, boy.
Disloyalty? What is you talking about?
Don't act like you don't know what it is, homeboy. Yo, you ain't been to the
Oh,
set,
shit.
ain't came to none of the meetings.
Hanging out with old men, ignoring your homies, acting all superior. Your mama will turn over in her grave, boy.
So you giving me a lecture about not being a good enough gangbanger?
Gangs is positive. That's all we got, my nigga. That's our heritage.
Ain't nothing positive about your crazy ass. Man, where Tanisha at?
She got more sense than to hang out with your sorry ass. You know you always been like this, boy. I say left, you say right. I say become a doctor. You say become a patient. I say, who is that?
Hello, Missy.
ओह
Wow, Franklin. You never told me that you had a sister.
ओह शिट।
I'm Denise, Franklin's housemate.
And aunt, my mother's old dried up ass
Shut the
sister.
fuck up.
Shut the fuck up! Here, darling. Why don't you go get yourself something nice, okay?
You. it's
Oh, bhai, oh.
$7.
I said something nice, not expensive. You want to be a greedy fucking cow, huh? No. Now get the fuck out of here, all right?
You men are all the same.
Man, what the fuck you doing here?
Here with the boys.
What?
I'm fucking new in town. I'm making friends, all right? Now let's party.
Look, I had plans on getting some rest until this clown and my aunt came and fucked that up.
My nigga, I just came over here to holler at you about the little thing.
Man, I said I'm tired, dawg.
What fucking thing? I love things. I'm the king of things.
I ain't talking to you, homie.
Hey, let's go do something about the thing, okay?
What thing?
किस चीज़ की बात कर रहा है
A
भाई?
little stretch thing, man.
Fucking beautiful. Perfect. It's a gangbang. Let's go. Come on.
Who is this fool, man? What is man, just come on.
What? कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई? अरे आराम से।
Where's this thing happening?
Down Grove.
गैंग बैंग लड़ने जा रहे हैं क्या?
We shooting shit up, spraying some motherfuckers. I can drive by with the best of them.
Behave yourself, man. Lamar, what's happening? What you in stress set up?
We buying weight, homie. Something that'll move us up the food chain, nigga, for real.
Not this real in this town, nigga. Particularly where you and stress concerned.
Man, this is an investment opportunity. You got to speculate to accumulate.
Ooh, first rule of business. Hey, since
ओए
we're
गलत
out
आ
here,
गए, चलो
bang,
आगे से मोड़ देंगे।
whether you got some
अबे
dust,
शिट, गलत ही
Fool
आ
wanna
गए।
get butt naked?
I'll get wherever it takes me, oh boy.
Homie's crazy, man.
So I've heard.
अबे भाई ये गाड़ी वाले पागल हैं कि देख नहीं रहा मोड़ रहा है यहाँ पे। रुक जा थोड़ी देर।
My young homie just
वो तेरी ये तो हम वहाँ नहीं आ गए, सीजे के वहाँ, सैन एंड्रियास।
here.
Hey, look, everybody be cool, man. Lamar about to do his thing, all right?
Look, we already went over this already. I'm charging 20 on every dollar. Look, I ain't trying to hear all that. Just have my money ready.
ओके, किसी के घर पे आ गए हम लोग। सीजे का घर लग रहा।
I'm out.
Hey, be on point. This fool janky. Courier service. Package to collect.
You got the grip?
Present and accounted for. You like that, huh?
Sample?
Now we talking. My throat getting numb already.
So we good, nigga, right? Well, let's go.
How about a taste?
No, man, we
स्मगलिंग चल रही है पूरी.
I want a taste of the other side of the brick.
Now you heard what your boy said. You're leaving.
Hey, give me the back! Whoa.
What the fuck?
Did we ask for a key or a fucking ounce?
Man, that's motherfucking
Oh.
drywall. Hey, we got some
Shit.
motherfucking buyer's remorse out here.
You can't fucking hustle a hustler! Ah!
Oh shit.
Wall Street, goddamn. We got food. Goddamn, man, fucked up. We got war. Stop saying stuff. Get the fuck out of here. You know what the fuck you doing?
अबे चलो यार.
What are we waiting for?
Yo, get up. A fool in his eye. Appreciate it, pimp. This ain't no happy place, motherfucker. Fuck these fools. We rolling, man. We rolling. Yes, man, you make a fuck look like a G.
बे मरो बेटा.
Folks ain't leaving, bro.
हाँ वो वहाँ पे मार रहे हैं. जैसे इनसे मरी गए हम.
What was your daddy drinking?
Let's clear out!
Oh shit.
About time, they
Come on, work done.
Oh shit. Okay, okay.
You ain't cut out for this shit.
What are we waiting for?
ओए कहाँ कहाँ?
I don't want to get clashed on my first world ride!
Oh, shit. अबे कहाँ यार मर जा यार. अबे वो नहीं, वो तो अपनी है. अबे सॉरी यार.
Help me, man! I'm about to be the victim of gang violence!
हाँ ये लाओ.
Excuse me, gentlemen!
गया.
Let's clear out!
गए भाई. सब मरोगे बेटा. ओए डरा दिए यार.
left down here. Down to the river, come on.
चलो चल चल चल. Oh shit.
There, MC Clip.
अरे आराम से.
Shoot. MC Clip. Clip. Wait right there, dog. Hold up, hold up.
चल चल भग 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 भग.
They ass, homie. That's our way up.
भैंस की टांग. ओ भाई उस पे जाएंगे जेट स्की पे.
You being deprived of these business, bitch. Oh, you cold, homie. Shit.
बे चलो बेटे धूम मचा ले.
Damn, it's stinking this motherfucker.
Shit ain't no river, man. It's a motherfucking sewer.
Then we in the right place.
Oh shit.
Straight set you up, nigga. Your big homie a snake.
He didn't know they were playing us before him. That on they go.
Man, you deluded.
भाई जा कहाँ रहे हैं मैं पहले ये तो बताओ.
Jack that motherfucker.
Was that who that was?
Little brush with another celebrity.
भाई साहब क्या क्रेजी.
Hey, we should like race these motherfuckers.
We are racing, you idiot. Racing away from the dudes trying to kill us.
I mean another time. They got sea shark races all over the city.
ओ
Helpful as always.
बचा.
homie.
अरे मार रहे हैं भाई. ऑलराइट भाई, निकल गए हम लोग। ऑलराइट, चलो भाई, गाड़ी का जुगाड़ तो हो गया। अब हम लोग चल रहे हैं ट्रेवर के मिशन पे।
Who the fuck is this?
The guy keeping you out of the gas chamber. Townley's on his way. We need to talk face to face. Warehouse off Dutch London and Banning.
Oh, we can do more than talk, my friend.
ऑलराइट। अबे व्हाट? माइकल पे क्यों शिफ्ट करना है? ये कहाँ पर है भाई?
You gotta quit that shit, man.
Yeah, I know.
I take speed mostly, and look at me. Boom! Best shape of my life. Yeah, I could still take you, sugar tits.
That's because you're fucking deranged, not because you're in good shape.
Hey, why don't you stick to doing fucking crunches and feeling bad about yourself, all right, pork chop?
Hey, fuck you.
You know, I'm beginning to think that's exactly what you want to do.
Yeah. Jesus. Just said the same fucking thing to my wife.
You see his face that last time I popped it. Boom! Oh, ladies!
God, you're an asshole. You back there. I know you, but you I don't know.
Yeah, well, until I see reason otherwise, why don't we just keep it that way? Steve, what a pleasure, bro. Oh!
He reminds me of one of those guys you see advertising pills for middle-aged men that can't get erections.
Hey, Devin Weston is a very good friend of mine, so why don't you watch your tongue? Because let me tell you something, that guy gets more tail than a tail catcher.
इसे पता नहीं है किससे पंगा ले रहा है।
That line. You,
ट्रेवर है भाई।
where did we meet?
Nowhere, pal.
Yeah, we did.
Hey, oh, what are we doing here, huh?
This.
Please, keep the sleep bastard away from me.
No, Ferdinand, he's gone. He's gone. It's okay, I've got some new friends here now.
This is Michael, and this is Trevor.
No,
Now our friend here,
Oh shit.
he claims he doesn't know
I
anything.
don't know anything. I don't know. I already told nothing. Nothing. I don't know anything. Please, sir.
You know about the Azerbaijanis?
Huh?
Azerbaijanis.
I do audiovisual, hi-fi audiovisual. It's top man, good price, VIP. You know?
You're a fucking spy. And the asswipes at the agency know this.
ओ भाई
So
साहब,
I need to know.
टॉर्चर करेंगे
What
इसे।
did you tell them, and what did they tell you?
I told them what I tell you.
Uh-huh.
What? Hey. Whoa, what is this? The house in Rockwood Hills. The man who owns it.
Shit.
He works at the consulate. Oh, that's all I know.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. I go.
You're gonna make him speak.
No.
ओ भाई, ट्रेवर को दिया है भाई टॉर्चर करने का काम। मजा आने वाला है काफी।
Let me go.
Hey, fuck is all this, huh?
I think it's a good time, buddy. You know, go for a drive.
Wait. Oh.
You get to work, and I'm not here.
The guy's your neighbor. Caesar's
All right.
Place, Rockford Hills.
इसके साथ दोबारा से। तेरी गाड़ी फिर से खराब कर दूंगा बेटा मैं। इंश्योरेंस लिया था कि नहीं?
The more I like him.
I was you, I wouldn't be so critical of who others associate with.
So is he gonna be a problem?
For sure. But there's nothing we can do about it. If something happened to him right now, I'd be right under a microscope. An electron microscope of bureaucratic shit. Bureaucratic shit. And that would make it very difficult to keep old secrets.
Oh, well, boo for you. You know who else is having trouble keeping secrets, asshole? Me. After you brought Trevor in on this.
I only brought him in after you put out your press release. Townley's taking scores again. The Los Santos reboot. If we didn't control the situation and he'd unearthed this connection, then what?
Then Trevor flips out, beheads me, kills my family, or raises him
Not
as
a
his
good-
own. I don't know which is worse. Anyway, any of that could happen at any time.
Slow down.
Let's think this through. What does he know?
He knows I'm alive. He knows I got money. And now he knows I'm working with the FIB.
Does he know how long you've been working with the FIB?
How long? The fuck does that matter?
Either you were working with us before the Cash Depot job, you walked your crew into an ambush, one of them spent 10 years on the run, and the other landed in a federal penitentiary. Or we stumbled on the Cash Depot job, Brad went down, you went down, Trevor got away. The FIB cut you a deal on your sickbed, faked your death, and you end up here.
Say which of those is
Fuck.
That there's any doubt probably accounts for you being alive.
back there? Trevor made you right away. The second he saw you.
You remember after the bust, I was in all the papers. I was on the evening news. The man who killed Michael Townley.
Yeah, I was quite a trophy. A good head to hang on your wall.
Back then, sure. Not now.
खुद कूदी थी भाई वो गाड़ी के सामने। ये देखो भाई, देख लो यार, गाड़ी आ रही है सामने तो तुम लोग बस देख तो मैं भी नहीं रहा था, गलती तो मेरी भी है। बैठे यार।
Don't hit any more cars.
ठीक है भाई। All right.
This is bullshit. This place? Davey, they've been shooting the real cunts of suburbia here the last few weeks. No way that's your guy.
Shit. You are kidding me. I'll call Steve. Wrong house. This guy isn't our guy.
Okay. You sure you don't silence him just to make sure?
If we're silencing someone, we're silencing the right someone. Get me another address. Hey, you want a coffee?
Can I get you anything?
Turns out
Oh,
there was a wrong
shit.
Azerbaijani. We need a new address from Mr. K. Choose your instrument and go to work on it.
Where do we start, eh, buddy?
Wait! What are you talking about, the wrong guy? No! Who do you want? Just tell me what you want. Huh, man? Huh, please. Look at me, please.
Okay, to pick up. Oh भाई साहब,
Come on, do your patriotic.
क्या लें पहले?
Just tell me what to say. I know Azerbaijanis, Kyrgyzstanis, Tajikistanis, whatever you want, huh?
ये लेते हैं। अरे आइए बेटे।
No, no! I'm bruised! I got brittle bones!
The breaker.
Oh shit.
Mr. Phillips, ask him about Tahir Javan.
Why didn't you ask me? I know Tahir. I did his home theater. He lives in Chumash, right into the Western Highway.
Well, that wasn't so tough, was it? Huh? Did you get that? Did you hear him?
क्या चल रहा है भाई?
Chumash, the Western Highway.
Intense बना दी situation.
Shumash, you're driving. Remember, terror does not take coffee breaks.
What a dick.
ओके, तो एक और एड्रेस बताया उसने, अब वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं। Right to Shumash.
So how are Steve and Trevor getting along?
Seems like a productive relationship.
You know, like I said, he's got his uses.
And as you can see, we're trying to take full advantage of it.
Then what?
This thing with the agency gets put to rest and we don't need you anymore.
Right. And what about Trevor?
What about it?
I need some resolution, Davey. You let him walk. You said you'd clean the whole thing up back in North Yankton.
And you told me it'd be a clean job, no casualties. There were more eyes on that town than there needed to be.
Yeah, well, according to my eyes, Trevor's your problem, Dave, as much as he is mine.
He's not a problem at all. We're monitoring him. Has he said anything about Brad?
Fuck yeah, he has. Plenty. I keep changing the subject. You know, he thinks you might actually commute Brad's sentence when this is all over.
That's good. Fine work. We'll send another letter. It's about time anyway.
Oh, so that's you who's been sending those fucking letters to Trevor, huh?
Yeah, He thinks they're from Brad, who he thinks is locked up in high security and not 6 feet under in a grave marked Michael Townley. The trainees write them. It's a good exercise.
Yeah, the fuck. How'd that get started?
A few years ago, a letter came to the federal prison system addressed to Brad.
आ गए भाई लोकेशन पर.
This'll do.
All right. Find out who we're looking for.
Yeah, we need a description of the target.
Yeah, I'll take care of it. Loosen
डिस्क्रिप्शन
him up.
बताएगा
No,
भी.
no, no, please. I tell
What?
you what you
Loosen
want
him
to know.
up.
No, please.
Oh shit.
He don't look loose to me.
ये लेते हैं भाई.
How many volts do you think they got running through these things?
That's dangerous. You could kill me. Turn him off. Don't do it.
Proceed to quick the clip.
Don't
Okay.
stop me. No, no, no. Not that. Please.
हाँ बेटे.
Shit, please. Come on. No. Whoa, whoa. Not the clips.
बता बता.
He's cut. Did you see his face when I did that?
मजा आ रहा था इसमें.
Hey. Now? Huh? Now? You ready to talk?
I've been ready to talk since the day I got kidnapped 6 weeks
That's
ago.
what we were afraid of.
Now I'm even
So,
more
yeah. This guy we're after, what does he look like?
Average build.
Come on.
Average height. Middle age.
Yeah, it sounds like you're stalling. This better be
Okay.
enough. Middle age, middle height, middle build, whatever. He's dark, okay? He's Azerbaijani, for God's sakes. Look around. That enough for you?
Okay. तो हम उस बंदे को देख रहे हैं.
You're my eyes, Townley. What do you see?
I see a couple guys that are way too old and too fat to be doing a political assassination. We're live.
You see anyone down there who might be an Azerbaijani?
Fuck do I know? You might be an Azerbaijani for all I know. What's one look like?
They look Eastern.
Half this town looks Eastern, Davy. You got the fall of the Shah and the collapse of communism to thank for that.
Anyone stand out?
No, they all kind of blend in. Make a call, Dave.
We're gonna need some more info on this guy. They're having a party down there.
All right.
That ain't gonna cut it, my friend.
Shit. Let me think.
और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए क्योंकि भाई वहाँ पर
Sorry,
काफी
too
सारे
late,
बंदे हैं.
Trevor, show our contestant what he's won today.
I remember.
All right. सभी चीजें इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ये करो.
Motivate him already.
Not the waterboard. Don't do it.
ये
Not the water. No.
टॉक्सिक लग रहा है ये तो.
Please don't.
टू फ्लिप.
Do it.
ओ वाह.
It shouldn't be legal. It's torture.
तो भाई ये अभी तुझे क्या लग रहा था हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
Look at me. I am a genuine government man.
ये बता बेटे.
Enough. Dry him off.
Let's get him upright.
I can't breathe.
All right.
The government knows what's best for you.
Then the government should kill me.
So what have you got for us? We need Trev to shake up your memory again?
No, please,
Oh my.
Oh, he's got beard.
He's got bushy beard.
Uh-huh. I think you're making this up.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
No.
Yeah?
I'm telling the truth.
Bushy beard? Got any beardy types at this party? Huh? Because
Beard.
that's all Mr. K's given us.
No.
You know, I'm thinking maybe we ought to just take 2 bullets and put them in our informant and just call an airstrike on Chumash Beach.
I need eyes on that party. Pick up the scope and give me a report.
Who am I looking for?
Steve's saying beard. What do you got?
Anything specific, or is some stubble gonna cut it?
Let's start at Mountain Men, and we'll work our way down until someone fits the profile.
There's a few beards at this party. Vinewood's full of weak chins. Place is famous for it.
Damn.
और
Beards are in fashion in Chumash. Land of beach hipsters. We need more.
अबे भाई कितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए पड़ेगी?
It's gonna be a long day until you give us some intel on our target.
He's got beer. He smokes. He smokes like a fucking chimney.
I don't know. Trev, maybe one more time, just to be
Smokes.
sure.
Please, no. I told you, he smokes. That's all I know.
क्या बचा है? ये तीनों तो हो गए, यही बचा है। आजा।
Gotta be a sick fuck to want to be a dentist.
No. Are they still alive?
Right to
My teeth are
grip a
perfect.
tooth. Oh shit.
My teeth!
Oh shit. Fuck.
They're all root. They just keep going down.
It feels like you ripped my jaw out.
I guess our interrogation techniques were a little too advanced.
What the?
Rise and
Oh shit.
light. Let me go through it.
जिंदा कर दिया भैंस की उसे तो। भाई साहब।
Mr. K. Mr. K.
I don't know anything, please.
It's okay.
He chain smokes. And he's left-handed.
What's that?
He chain smokes. And he's left-handed.
Ah.
Left-handed.
Any of these bearded guys at the party smoke cigarettes. Mr. K says he smokes like a pack of 2 a day.
Redwood cigarettes?
Thank you, Mr. K.
Steve's telling me he chain smokes redwoods.
It ain't
Okay.
the cigarettes that'll kill him. It's the guys who put the warnings on the packets you should worry about.
ये
He's left-handed.
Oh, now I get it. You're telling me to assassinate a guy because he's got facial hair, a cigarette, and
ये
he's left-handed.
I'm telling you to assassinate a guy because he's a threat to national security. The rest's details.
ये
I see
Oh, yeah.
someone. He fits the profile. Yep, fits it all the way.
What the hell?
That was the guy. I had a feeling. It'll check out.
मजा आ गया भाई।
Well, we've got him. It's done.
Woo! That is a
Chalo,
wrap,
bhai.
my friends. Excellent work, the pair of you. Now I got a racquetball game to get to, so Trevor, if you take care of Mr. K, I think we're all set.
What the fuck do you want me to do with him?
I would say he's outlived his usefulness.
Oh, come on, please.
Shut up!
That's a sport.
Let's go. Come on.
Where's taking me to?
Fuck, let's just go, okay? I ain't gonna let those G-Man fucking scumbags tell me what to do.
What? You just tortured me.
Don't ask too many fucking questions. Let's go. Get up. Come on, up the fucking stairs.
क्या ये ऐसी कोई बाहर निकलवा रहा है भाई?
Oh, for fuck's sakes. Come on. Let's go. All right. Now you got a flight to catch. Okay? Let's get you to the airport.
Flight?
Oh, safety first.
What? अरे यार। All right, तो इसकी फ्लाइट कैच करवानी भाई
How's
कहाँ
your
पे?
mouth?
It hurts.
Can you speak?
Kinda.
Are you gonna hold it together?
I want to go home. I want to see my family.
No. You have no home. You have no family. That shit is over.
I do. They're in the Morningwood. I love them very much.
No, that's your old life. That's over now. You're off the grid. You're one of the invisible people.
Just take me
to the airport. You're gonna get on a plane. You're flying a long way from this country and you're gonna spread your message.
I don't have a message.
You're a torture advocate.
Advocate?
The media and the government would have us believe that torture is some necessary
Tortured
thing.
advocate.
We need it to get information, to assert ourselves. Did we get any information out of you?
I would have told you everything.
Exactly. Torture's for the torturer, or the guy giving the order to the torturer. You torture for the good times. We should all admit that. It's useless as a means of getting information.
I'm feeling lightheaded.
Sometimes you torture for the torturee, but only if
आ
they're
गए भाई
prepared
एयरपोर्ट.
to pay.
I am very unwell.
It's me with you. Jesus Christ, good
What?
grief. I thought we really bonded, but now I'm having my doubts. Departures. No one drives me to the airport. Here we be.
आओ भाई.
Run. You're free.
Oh, what? But my family is here.
Your family is probably the ones who got you fucking in here, all right? Now look, trust no one, all right? You're alone now.
Really?
Yeah, really. Now let's go. Fuck off. Come on.
ले. By the book. एयरपोर्ट पर इस गेम के ग्राफिक्स कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. फुल ग्रीनरी.